Number 8. Warner Brothers Studio Tour London. Warner Brothers Studio Tour London Review. For Harry Potter fans and movie lovers alike, Warner Brothers Studio Tour London. The making of Harry Potter is an absolute must-visit. Located in Leaves Den, just outside London, this immersive experience takes visitors behind the scenes of one of the most beloved film franchises of all time. Highlights of the tour. The tour starts with the iconic Great Hall, where you can see the long tables, enchanted ceiling, and costumes worn by the Hogwarts students and staff. From there, you'll move through other famous sets, including Diagon Alley, Hagrid's Hut, and the Forbidden Forest. There are also interactive features, like the chance to try your hand at riding a broomstick, and stunning special effects displays. One of the most impressive parts of the tour is the scale model of Hogwarts Castle, which gives you a breathtaking view of the iconic building as it appeared in the films. It's an incredible piece of craftsmanship and one of the most photographed spots in the studio. Throughout the tour, visitors can admire hundreds of original props and costumes from the films. Whether it's Harry's iconic glasses, the Weasley's flying car, or the intricate costumes worn by the characters, the level of detail is astounding. Each item is displayed with an informative description, providing fascinating insights into the creative process. And thank you for watching.